Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is May monthly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, it's sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on, Capricorn? Judgment with Hangman. You are going to be make some decision regarding this relationship in near future and you are feeling stuck. Yes, right now maybe near future you are feeling stuck. For some you are spiritually awakening regarding this connection. You are thinking about them a lot. And some major decision making in the month of May. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Two of Cups, Ace of Wands and Queen of Pentacles. Your money was good and your love life was also very good. Two of Cups, and this love is mutual love is sharing between you and your person, and there is also passion also between both of you. Lot of passion. You both are very passionate towards each other and you both have strong emotions for each other. And Queen of Pentacles, you are very caring and very sharing person, Capricorn. That was past. Then present, the World, Eight of Wands and Queen of Wands. You are taking your control back. You now stand by your power. You are very passionate towards your work and towards your love also. You are very passionate. And there is lots of communication is coming in your way. There is some positive shift is coming. There is some positive moment is coming. And Eight of Wands, lots of communication is coming. Maybe traveling is involved in this connection. And the World, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. I am seeing you more focusing on your self growth in the month of May. Then future, Four of Swords, Four of Wands and Eight of Swords. You feeling stuck in near future and you are undergoing some healing process to heal yourself from past hurts. And Four of Wands, you want this happiness from your person. You are waiting for this celebration, this happiness from your person. And you are undergoing some meditation, some transformation, but you still thinking about your person a lot. And Eight of Swords energy. Yes, you want to make some action, but you are feeling stuck. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. For some, you are spiritually awakening regarding this relationship. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, the Moon. Maybe Pisces, the person involved in this connection could be. So let's see your person feelings. I think communication, your person want to express the true feelings to you. They want to express their feelings. Ace of Swords, truth coming out, new beginnings. And King of Cups, yes, they love you. They have so much love for you. And Justice, maybe if you are in separation with your person, now they want second chances. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. They want marriage with you because the Justice is marriage card. Some marriage proposals. And Three of Cups, celebration, happiness. So let's see their intentions. Wow, they won't give up on you. Four of Cups under the deck. They're feeling missed opportunity with you. If you are in separation with your person, they are missing you. They're feeling bored without you. And Knight of Swords, Seven of Wands, and Six of Wands. They want success in this connection and they are rushing to communicate with you. They are in rush. Yes. And Seven of Wands, they won't give up on you. They can't let you go easily. Yes, they won't give up on, they can't give up on you, and they will fight for your attention. They will fight for your love. Lot of fire energy. The person involved in this collection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Four of Pentacles with Page of Cups and the Lovers. Yes, this is mutual love. Love is there between both of you, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini or Libra especially. So now your person want to say apology to you if they hurt you in past. And Four of Pentacles, in past maybe they are having hard time to express their feelings to you, but now they want to express their feelings and they want to say apology to you. And maybe for some children's also involved in this connection, maybe your person is very immature. And you are also going to be make some major decision regarding this relationship, some communication. For some, you both have some age differences between both of you. And the Fool, you are going with the flow. You are living in the present moment, Capricorn. And you are also going to be make some decision regarding this relationship, some major decision making for both of you. This month is very crucial for both of you. Maybe you also want for some this new beginnings with you, with your person. You also want new beginnings with this person. And communication and Chariot. Yes, definitely there is some movement in this connection in near future. But it is slow moving energy, and the person involved in this connection could be Cancer. And Page of Pentacles, definitely children's also involved in this connection, some communication, some text. Definitely there will be communication between both of you. For some, communication is also key in this relationship. So let's see some messages for your person and through the channel, Capricorn. Reconciliation, family issues, I am feeling sad without you, I still love you, separation, and toxic person for some. So take what resonates. So the messages are reconciliation, separation, family issues, I still love you, and I am feeling sad without you. Yes, for some there are some family issues, you both are in separation. For some reconciliation will happen and they still love you. For some this person may be toxic for you. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Step out of your comfort zone. Have faith in your dreams. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, first you have to step out of your comfort zone, do hard work consistently. These two cards are correlated with each other, and have faith in your dreams. First you have to believe that you will achieve. Yes, because have faith in your dreams, then step out of your comfort zone. These are the messages from Moon Oracle deck. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.